Hi, hello, namaste friends. Welcome to our channel Venkatgiri English. Now we are in the lesson 12. So in this lesson, we shall play a story. ఓకే, ఒక స్టోరీని మీకు ప్లే చేస్తాము. ఆ స్టోరీ విని చివరిగా మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయండి. ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్కి మీరు ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. అంటే శ్రోత కానివాడు వక్త కాలేడు కదండి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ మీకు 11 లెసన్స్ మ్యాక్సిమమ్ మీకు రిపీటింగ్ మాత్రమే వచ్చాయి. అయితే మీకు అండర్స్టాండింగ్ లెవెల్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయని తెలుసుకోవడానికి కోసం అని చెప్పి ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని వీడియోస్ మీకు స్టోరీస్ అయితే ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఎంత బాగా వింటే అంటే మనకు లిజనింగ్లో కూడా ఫోకసింగ్ లిజనింగ్ అంటే యాక్టివ్ లిజనింగ్ అంటారండి. సో యాక్టివ్ లిజనింగ్ ఎవరికైతే మంచిగా ఉంటుందో వాళ్ళు ఫోకస్డ్గా ఒక విషయాన్ని వింటారు, అంతే త్వరగా నేర్చుకుంటారు. అందుకోసం చెప్పి దాంట్లో భాగంగా ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని లాంగ్ స్టోరీస్ అయితే ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. ఆ స్టోరీస్ని మీరు వింటూ రిపీట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వింటూ అక్కడక్కడ మీకు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్కి మీరు ఆన్సర్ అనేది కమెంట్లో తెలియచేయండి. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు వీడియోలోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young man named Ankit who lived with his family. Ankit was a hard-working young man who always put his family's needs first. He would work tirelessly on the family farm from dawn to dusk, and he did it with a smile on his face. One day, while Ankit was working on the farm, he noticed a small bird lying on the ground, unable to fly. Ankit felt sorry for the bird and decided to take care of it. He brought the bird home and nursed it back to health. The bird soon became a part of the family, and Ankit loved it dearly. Years went by, and Ankit grew up to be a successful farmer. His farm prospered, and his family was happy. One day, a group of hunters came to the village and started hunting the birds in the area. Ankit was outraged and decided to confront the hunters. He went to the hunters and begged them to stop killing the birds. The hunters laughed at Ankit and told him that they were only doing their job. Ankit realized that he couldn't stop the hunters, so he decided to take matters into his own hands. He started building birdhouses all over the village, and soon, the village was filled with birds. Years went by, and Ankit became known as the Birdman of the village. He had succeeded in making the village a sanctuary for birds, and people from all over the region came to visit the village to see the birds. Ankit was happy, and his family was proud of him. One day, Ankit fell ill and was on his deathbed. His family and friends were gathered around him, and Ankit was reminiscing about his life. He said that he was happy that he had done something good for the world and that he would die with no regrets. Ankit passed away, and his family buried him on a hill overlooking the village. From that hill, Ankit's spirit watched over the village and the birds that he had worked so hard to protect. Now you read the questions and answer in the comment box.